respondents cannot limit, supervise, monitor these devices. In actual fact, I have highlighted today to the court that access to digital content it's not a new thing. It is something that is already managed by the respondents. And there is no security bridges in that sense. The respondent create their own security bridge because they are alleging that I have escaped. They say I have committed a crime, but they have not proven that crime, Your Honor. And I am now prejudiciously forced to comment on a case that is before another court. And I find that truly unfair for me to be before this court, have to answer for a matter that has not been tested. The affidavits added in the supplementary of the investigating officer and etc. I do not have them. The so-called statements from the complainant, I don't have it. And we cannot bring them to the box and actually get them to testify and see if this is relevant or not. There are numerous allegations, Your Honor, and I feel that, honestly speaking, with all respect, it would be unfair for this court to expect me to even touch on any of these allegations because they are a matter before another court. As the advocate has mentioned, there is a case in Bloemfontein of escape, and that should follow its process. The respondents only based on legal resource is the basis that I am now before the court. But the court itself has in black and white that the matter was supposed to sit down on the 16th. It couldn't sit down on the 16th because of lack of resource. The respondents goes further to say that I have numerous counsels visiting me on legal basis. Your Honor, these counsels, as any person would understand, any counsel has a specialty. And I cannot take a counsel that says to me that they cannot take the legal obligation of representing an application that is not within their scope, where they will lack legal understanding. It is then within my own that if I can't defend myself, no one is going to defend me. I am the monster here. And if I'm not given an opportunity because somebody believes that my resources are enough.
Uyalibona leli khanda elimiso kwesando lana ke libelibuka lapha yana ke ijaji kahle kahle kuthiwa ake nimbuke nje ukuzethemba lapha ke uThabo Bester ebhekene ngqo nejaji khona lapha enkantolo. Sibonile ke indlela bekhuluma ngayo ke ukuthi igcwele ke ukona ukuzethemba nenkandi futhi uyayibona ukuthi khona kuyona lensizwa. Kanye manje amazwe ke kodwa ke kuthiwa sechithiwe ke isicelo saso lesiboshwa egama laso ke uThabo Bester sokugunyazwa ukuthi ke asebenzise ilaptop ekhona lapha ke ejele ngaphakathi. Lesi siboshwa ke esidonsa ke uDilika jele ngamacala ke okudlwengula nokubulala njengamanje ke sibhekene necala ke lokweqa ejele ngonyaka odlule. Siyakhumbula ukuthi ke ngonyaka odlule ke wabanjwa nescandal nje kwakuningi nje kakhulu kodwa ke lolu daba luqhubeka luthi ke uBester unikele enkantolo ke ngolwesibili ke efaka lesi sicelo ke ngenhloso yokuzilungiselela ke ukuqulwa kwecala lokweqa kwakhe ejele ngoFebruary ke wangonyaka ozayo. Right, lensizwa ke iqome ukuzimela yona enkantolo ke inxuse ijudge ukuba ke livume ukuthi ke ithola ke ilaptop ke ukuze yaze yabeka ke nokuthi ke igadwe ngeso lokhuze ejele. Ngakho ke akukho okubi ke nokungale komthetho ke engakwenza uma ithola ke lokhu kuphela izolandela yonke imigomo ebekelwa yona. Lana ke uye wachaza kahle kahle ke umfoka Bester ukuthi yena akatholi ngisho ke iphephandaba ke anginawo umsakazo anginalo iwashi angazi nokuthi ke isikhathi sini indlela engiphila ngayo ezinyangeni ke lena ke eziwu16 ezedlule mayesho kusho yena lapha ke ekhalela nje khona ejajini. Uzwakale ushukela ke uma ke ijaji ke limtshela ukuthi ke akanalo ilungelo lokuba ne-laptop kahle kahle. Lapha ke ijaji limtshele nje lokhu emehlweni ke uBester ke uphendule ijaji ukuthi ke liyenzelela ke ngalokho inkantolo ke isikhahlelile ke isicelo sakhe ngokuthi ke akukho semthethweni ke ukuba athole lezi zinto ke azifunayo. Angazi ngombhemu ukuthi ke uyithembe kangakanani ukuthi ngazi etshele ijaji ukuthi ke alenzi into right uma limnikeza ilaptop bangakanani ke abantu la abangenzanga ngisho amacala ke adlula leli cala alenza yena njengoba ke phela ke la kahle kahle ke itreason lento ke ayenza, taking someone from emotionary or somewhere else and then uhambe wena uyozenza yena nje, planning all that sketch lapha ngaphakathi, and futhi still bribe inqwaba yabantu. Yonke leyo nto leyo ikhomba ukuthi vele umthetho wena ke into enga exist kuwena, i-constitution into kahle kahle wena ke ongaphezulu kwayo, yabo, ungaphezulu komthetho ngamanye amazwi ngokwenza kanjalo. So I don't think ijudge bekupossible ukuthi lingamnikeza ke lelo thuba lokuthi ke akwazi ke ukuthi asebenzise i-laptop or any device of some sort lapha ngisho kuthiwa uzilungiselela ke i-case yakhe. And futhi yazi ngiyaqala lokuthi ungathi ke uyi-case serious njengalena ke bese uba umuntu ke okhomba ukuthi ke uyimele lapha. And I think nokubaleka kwawo ama-lawyer ayabona ukuthi okay, ukudlala lokhu lento le esenza la ayindawo, ngisho ukuthi uyasikhokhela lo muntu, but ukusikhokhela kwakhe akwenzi lutho, yabo, because vele ekugcineni kwakho konke lo muntu ke usevalelwe udile kajele. So I think yena nje akamukela ukuthi ke ukhona laphayana, and up to mhlambe ke isikhathi la ekuyothiwa ke udedelwa ngoshwele if ever kuyenzeka lokho. Anyways, don't forget to like this video and do voice out ke bafethu ke i-opinion yenu regarding ukuncishwa kukaBaxter laphana ke i-bail, I mean ukuncishwa kwakhe ukuthi ke asebenzise le device, i-laptop ke njengoba kade ke request apha inkantolo. Do you think inkantolo noma ke ijudge ke lenze ke into noma lithatha isinqumo esi-right ngalokho, or mhlambe belingekho fair ngalokho? Do comment on the section down below. Don't forget to like this video. Danko.